You've probably never thought about growing one of these. This is a Tamarillo, and you might notice it has these reddish pendulous fruit. By the way, there's also a yellow sort of coloured variety as well, yellow skin that is. They're plants for frost-free areas, so if you get heavy frost in your area, you'd really have to think about it unless you've got a protected zone. But it is an interesting fruit. Fruit tastes somewhere between sort of a passion fruit and maybe a tomato. It is of the tomato or potato family. Comes from South America. You can see how tall it grows, that's about it. Sort of around the 3 metre mark or a fraction more. Rapid growing, they can fruit within 6 months of planting them, but they're very brittle. If you get strong winds where you are, they can just snap off. So protected, frost-free position, warm areas, interesting fruit, very easy to grow, very rapid growing, and it's called a Tamarillo. But I've got to be honest and say that I've never actually grown one, nor am I used to preparing them, but Annette does and is. I've got to be honest and say, I've never eaten them. So
it's going to be an interesting reaction.
Annette, I'm very interested. So this is how you do them. So you've peeled them?
Yes, very thinly.
Right.
Just, that skin is quite bitter, quite nasty.
Quite nasty. And then this is the thing, so we can try these. And what sauce
And this
was
is
it?
the savoury version. This
Right.
one has a salad dressing on it. But if you wanted to eat them with sweets, you could put caster sugar or icing sugar. They're very tasty as a dessert.
And you also do a mousse or something?
There is a mousse, yes, without the seeds. It's reminiscent of passion fruit, don't you think?
It's definitely got a passion fruit flavour. Fraction tart. Hint of tomato in there as well.
Quite pleasant.
It is, it's
You
nice.
get used to them too, the more you eat.
Can't see myself eating it quite as often as I eat
another.
tomato, but it's lovely.
This fruit was known as the tree tomato until the name Tamarillo was chosen by New Zealanders after a competition in 1967.